Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Pictory review and tutorial on how to use Pictory AI. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. To navigate to Pictory AI, you just type in Pictory AI on your web browser, and you will be routed at the landing page. And as you can see on their header, they have infos about the website. But for us to begin, let's go ahead and get started for free. Some users might have to add a card number for some purposes. And welcome to the homepage of Pictory.ai. As you can see, we have 4 options on how we can make a video. The very first one is the scripto video, and it is recommended for educational, listicle, coaching, and step-by-step guide videos. Then the next one, we have the article to video, which is recommended for blogs, press releases, and any HTML article. The third one is we have the edit video using text, and it is recommended for adding subtitles, cutting portion of video, adding logo, intro, and outro. And for the last one, we have the visuals to video. It says here that it is recommended for creating a slideshow video, existing images, or short video clips. So now let me demonstrate to you the scripto video. We just click the proceed button and we can start our project. Once you are routed at the script editor, the first thing you can do is you can enter your video name. So for my video, it will be about 5 easy ways to stay healthy. And just under the title name is where you can put your script. Or if you already have a script, just simply copy and paste it here. Next thing is that this is a really nice feature. As you look at the left side corner of the screen, it says highlight. You can highlight words from here that you want the AI to find more suitable visuals for your scene. You can click on the specific words, then click the highlight button. Next option we have here is the scene settings. You can turn off these features that the AI offers, especially for the auto visual selections. If you have your own visual, then you are free to do that as well. Next thing here is you can add scenes on sentence breaks or line breaks. And then at the bottom part, you can do a spell check, and also it will tell you how many characters you have in your script. And once you're done, you can now go ahead and proceed. So this is the next step of creating your video. So we are routed at templates library. You have a lot of options here that you can choose from. Just feel free to use everything that is available. And also you can even use your own templates. For me, I will be using this wellness theme one. And what you can also do is that you can choose these available ratios they offer. They offer a 16:9, 9:16, and a 1:1. For me, I will use the 16:9 frame. And now that we are here on our last step of editing our video, you can see at the left side corner of your screen, you have your project name. And on the left side panel, we have our tools there to maximize our scripto video project. So let's start with the very first option, which is our storyboard. This is where you can add text to your script. Just simply write the word that you want to add, and it will automatically be added on your video. Next thing here is the visuals. You have a lot of options here to choose, especially on the library. And if you don't like the visuals on your scene, you can just simply change that and click on the visuals that are available in the library, and it will be added directly to the scene. You can also add textures, and also you can even upload your own visuals if you want to. Next thing is the audio. This is a really helpful portion because this is where you can add your background music. You can also add voiced over. They have a lot of AI choices to choose from, or even upload your own audio. And for the text, what we can do is we can add a heading. Just simply type the word that you want to add, and it will be added directly to the scene. You can also add subheading or a body text. Next thing here is the elements, where you can add emojis, GIFs, or stickers to lighten up your project. And then we have the styles. For my video, I am using the template style, just the default. But once again, you can always upload your own styles if you want, or you can just choose from the styles library. Then the branding, this is where you can add your logo into your intro, scene, and outro. Last thing that we have here on the panel is the format. I have discussed this already. You have 3 formats choices here. But one thing that is cool in this section is you can adjust the resolution of your video. You can go from 720p for the 1080p resolution. So that's basically all the tools on the left side panel. Going back to the scenes, the first thing that you can play is located at the bottom of your screen, which is the transition. You can play with a transition, you just have to choose from the available options that they have and make your video more organized or catchy. That's for you to choose on your video. Next thing is the scene duration. On the center part of your screen, you can adjust the timing. You can even organize all your scenes and choose a timing and hit the apply to all scenes button, and now you have a more organized scenes. And as you can see, you have those small figures under the video frame. Those are actually helpful. One of those are the subtitles. If you want to put on subtitles or if you don't want to, it's your option. Then you have the voiceover. If you want to use an AI voiceover, feel free to do so, or upload an audio, and even record in Pictory, you can also do that. You can trim your scenes also. If you want to make it shorter, that's also an option. And here on the setting icon, this is where you can loop your video, or you can zoom in and pan. This is also where you enable or disable your background music. And once you're done editing your video, you can go ahead and click the preview to double check. If you are satisfied with your preview, then just simply click the download button in the upper right corner of the screen and click video. Moving on into the next one, which is the article video. As you can see, it says that you can just paste the URL. So I have looked up an article. What I will do is I will copy the URL and paste it here, and then click the proceed button. Once you are routed into this page, as you look on the left side of your screen, you can see we have a highlighted sentence, and if you scroll down, we have many of those. Those are actually the scenes that the AI created for your article to video. And when you click on the scene settings, you have two options that you can do. First one is the auto highlight keyword. You can turn it off and select sentences that you want to highlight. And once you highlight the sentence, it will automatically add it to your scene. Once you're done highlighting, then you can now click the next button and proceed. Once you have routed to the templates library, again, these are all the available templates that you can use for your videos. You can also choose what ratio you want your video to be. So this time I'm gonna choose 9:16. Just wait for it to load up. Have all your scenes that the AI created for you. I can say that it's pretty similar to the Scripto video, so I don't have to go on one by one, because every one of us should know what are your functions in the left side panel of the screen. We still have the same tools that we can use to maximize our project, just like what we have in the first picture. Once you have edited everything, just click on preview and see. Then once you're satisfied, again just click the download button in the upper right corner and select video. Next one is the edit video using text. For me, this is the easiest tool to make a video here in Pictory. For you to proceed, you will have to input a video, but for me, I will just be showing you the demo video since it is a really great example on how easy you can use this tool. Let's go ahead and check it out. So if you have input your video, this is how it would look on your screen. But first things first, as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have our text. Those are the words that was transcribed from the original video. And below the video, you have there the templates that you can use to improve your video. But let's get to the main point and edit the video using text. So as you can see, we have the highlighted word, and it's obvious that those highlighted words are filler words. And as we watch this clip, you will hear the filler words clearly.
Agreement on hockey, but it is not interfering.
So as you have noticed, you can clearly hear the filler word, but don't worry because in just one click, you can easily remove them. Just by clicking the remove filler words button on the upper right corner of your screen. And as we have clicked that button, you can look at the description that the filler words were removed. And now we can watch the video again and see if it does its job.
Reached agreement on hockey, but it is not interfering.
Now that we have removed the filler words, there's also another feature which you can highlight your video by seconds, meaning to say it will only show the clips that were accounted for how many seconds you have set it up. As you can see on the script, it has big gaps since I highlighted it for every 30 seconds. Also, you can get rid of the silences or dead air because most of those causes awkwardness on your video. You can set it up here and click OK once you're done. Also, you can remove or add subtitles to your video. And that's pretty much for this feature, and once you're done, just click the download button located at the upper right corner of your screen. So now we have the last feature, which is the visuals to video. It says here it is recommended for making short video clips or slideshows. So the first thing that you will do here is that you can drag or drop files from your computer and then click upload button and then wait for it to load up. And now you can proceed. Once again, we have the templates that we can access to better our projects here in Pictory. So I will just use a simple one and chose a ratio of 9:16. And once routed here at the editing page, the first thing that you will see is you can add text to the storyboard. If you want your visuals to video to have text, you are free to do that as well. And once again, on the left side panel, you can use all the tools to better your video. And you can also put transitions into your visuals. You can even add voiceover to it. That's a good idea if you're greeting someone through visuals. And once you're done editing, you can watch the preview. And once you're satisfied, just click on the upper right corner of the screen and click the download button, then video. And that's basically it for the Pictory. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.